Now the next thing that a lot of theme options, a lot of WordPress themes have a separate theme options page, and this one is no different. We're going to go to the theme options, and they have more things that you can customize here. So we're going to go into this theme elements, and they have an option to disable the breadcrumb list. Now if you don't know what breadcrumbs are, I'll go into the about page, and all they are is this right here, where it tells you how many levels deep you are within the website, and it gives you links to the other parts of the website. So if there was a sub page for about, you would see another side caret here with that page, and you'd be able to click on the about page to go back a level. Because this is a simple website, I don't want that. So I'm just going to disable them. Okay, now the next step we're going to do, actually I'm going to come back to this disable call to action button. I don't want to do it right now, but we're going to come back to that. So let's go to the next one, logo upload. This is similar to the other area we saw where you can upload a logo. So this gives you another option to do it here. I don't want to upload a logo. I'm just going to go with the text. Now here is where you update the home page. They have a specific option here to customize the home page. And this is what I was just talking about with the setting on the last page. It overrides the WordPress front page option. So we don't even need to worry about that on the customize menu. We need to look at it here on the theme options. So you'll see if we go back to the home page, we have our hello world and H2 subheadline, and that's what we edit right here. So we're going to go ahead and edit that. So we're going to type in here our headline. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that in. I have a couple of these ready to go. So I got the headline, hi folks, with the subheadline, want to learn web design. As you can tell, I really enjoy reading these. So here we go. I'm going to copy the content in there. And just like the other page, we have the visual and we have the text tab if we want to get fancy with some of the stuff or go into the HTML. So you'll see I have this on here. We can update the call to action URL. So right now I'm going to put that to the contact page. I'm going to go ahead and right click this and copy the link address. And I'll just paste it right here, raydelvecchio.com/contact. And the call to action text, I will update that as well. I'm going to copy and paste that. Get started today. And here we have the featured content area, which if you go to the page here, you'll see that's the right side where they preload an image in there. So we're going to upload an image. I'm going to have an image of myself. And let me upload this. And we have the options over here. And I'm actually going to leave this center. I'm not going to link to anything. Actually, you know what? I'm going to actually link to the about page. So let me copy that link address. I'm going to do the custom URL here, and I'll paste in the about page address, raydelvecchio.com/about. And for this image, I don't want to do the full size. I think that'll be a little too much in your face. So I'm going to go medium here and see how that looks. So we'll insert it into the post. And I will save. And we could take a look. Let me refresh. And there you go. So let's go back to the WordPress admin area and continue with some of these updates. So we just finished up the homepage updates. Let's go to the default layouts. Now this, you can define the default static page layout. This is for pages, so let's see what the about page has. Obviously the default is a sidebar on the right here. So I actually don't like having the sidebar on the pages. I think that's more of a blog feature. So I'm going to do the full width page, no sidebar option here for the default static page layout. But for the single blog post and default blog posts, I'm going to leave these default. So I'll save that. And we can go into the social icons here. So they have pre-made, or I'm sorry, they have the icons pre-built into the theme. All you got to do is enter your URL. So I'll go ahead and enter my social URLs right here. All right, now that we're done with the social icons, we are going to save this.